How to log in on Brainly app. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how we can log in on Brainly app within some steps. So let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit the like and subscribe option. So the first step is download the Brainly app and open it. Then you will get to this interface. So to log in, you need to enter your username or email and password. Or you may use Google or Facebook if you have created your account from Google or Facebook. Since I have created my account using Google, I'm going to tap on Google. And then here you need to enter your country. Choose your country you belong with and enter your age. After entering your age, just tap on I accept the terms of use and privacy policy and then tap on continue. And then you get this option of subscribing on Brainly Plus. You may just subscribe if you want more features, but right now I'm just tapping on no thanks. And there you go, you have successfully logged in your Brainly account. Same goes for email and Facebook as well. Just tap on your Facebook account that you've linked with your Google account and your email account. For that, you just need to enter your email address and your password and tap login. And if you have set security, then you need to enter the code that you receive in your email, and then you'll be logged into your account very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.